Hello children, welcome to today's English class. So today we are going to learn more details of the lesson that we already studied the short summary in our previous class. The title of the lesson is, what was the title children? Yes, the title of the lesson is A Castle in the Air. So all of you please take your term textbook, it is in number 29. This play is adapted from the novel Swiss Family Robinson, written by David Biss. It is about a family from Switzerland on their way to Port Jackson in Australia. On their way, the ship is wrecked and they find themselves on a deserted island. Mr. Robinson, along with his wife and their sons Fritz, Jack, Ernest and Franz, face many problems but discover a life of adventure and new learning. So, in the previous class, we already discussed about the short summary. So, who lost their way, children? Yes, Mr. Robinson along with his wife and 4 sons. Robinson was the central character along with his wife and 4 sons, namely Fritz, Jack, Ernest and Franz. Although they face so many difficulties, but they discover a new way of learning and they discover many adventures through their life, which is they spent through the desert. Now we can go through the scene 1. Scene 1. Father, I want all of you to follow me. Jack, take care of the cattle and our brave dogs. Fritz, what about Franz, father? Father, since Franz is the youngest, he will be seated on one of the donkeys and I will be supervising it all. So who was the youngest of all children? Yes, very good. Franz is the youngest of all sons and they continued their journey through the desert. So there is a new word. The new word is supervising. The spelling is Supervising. Supervising means being in charge of. Here supervising means who supervised all the family? Yes, very good. Mr. Robinson supervised all of his wife, his 4 sons and their cattle and their brave dogs also. So, supervising means being in charge of, giving guidelines and all. Okay, children. Now all of you turn the page. It is in page number 30. Scene 2. The family finally reached their destination. That night, they sleep on the hammocks as it is already too late to build a shelter the next day. So, they reached their destination and at that night, they just slept and they cannot find a shelter at that time because it was too late at that night. So, the next day, Father, let's build a tree house on that tall fig tree today. So, father said that. Who was father here? Yes, Mr. Robinson was the central character. He was the father here. So, he suggested that they can build a tree house at that time. So, what is a tree house? There is a new word. You have to underline that word, tree house. Tree house. The spelling of tree house is Treehouse. So, tree house means house built on a tree. As they reached, we already discussed that in our previous class. As they reached on a deserted island, they can't find any shelter. So, Mr. Robinson decided to build a tree house for their shelter. So, tree house means house built on a tree. So, you all are familiar with this word, isn't it, children? Fritz, Jack and Ernest, one after the other. But how, father? We don't even have a ladder to climb these tall trees. Their branches are so far away. Father, so let's make a ladder. Fritz, father, how are we going to make a ladder? Father, I have made a bow and some arrows using a bamboo shoot. So, there is a new word, that is shoot. Shoot, the spelling is Shoot. So, you have to underline this word shoot. It means small stem of a plant. Small stem of a plant is known as what, children? Shoot. Okay, children? Father, so let's make a ladder. Fritz, father, how are we going to make a ladder? Father, I have made a bow and some arrows using a bamboo shoot. Fritz, I see. We will tie this thick thread to one end of the arrow and you will shoot it over the branch of a tree. Jack, then, just like two sides of a ladder, we will lay two long ropes that we have side by side. Ernest, and on these ropes we will make knots and pieces of cane will be inserted in these knots. So, when Robinson decided to make the tree house, they are asking for the sons asking that they even don't have a ladder. So their father, that is Robinson, suggested that they can also make a ladder by using the stems of plants and ropes also, because he made a bow and arrows. He used arrows to make this ladder. So there are two new words, so we can go through that. Okay, children. So first new word, it is cane. Cane means, spelling is C-A-N-E. Cane means the stem of some plants such as bamboo. So stem of some plants are known as cane. Okay. So it is, for example, it is bamboo. Second word that also you have to underline, that is inserted. Inserted spelling is I-N-S-E-R-T-E-D. So inserted means put something in. So when we are putting something, so that is known as what, children? Inserted. Okay, children. In page number 31, Father, we will tie our ladder to the thick thread that I just showed over the branch of a tree and pull up our ladder. Thus they make a ladder. Using it, they climb the tree, talking with the nails, hammer and pulley, and start building their tree house. They could not finish it that day. So after their evening prayers, they lit a fire and sleep in their hammocks at night. So at evening, they built a ladder and they climbed the tree also. And when it was night, their work was not completed. So they take rest at that night. So that's all for scene 2. Now we can go through scene 3. So now it is scene 3. They start working from early morning. Fritz and his father climb the tree while the others supplied them with the things they need. Mother, okay, I have tied the wooden boards to the rope. You can now pull them up. Fritz, thank you, Mother. Fritz pulls up the wooden boards using the pulley that his father had fixed on a branch above them. Father, Fritz, the wooden boards will have to be placed on the branches that are close to each other to form a smooth and solid floor. Fritz, okay, Father. After that, we can form a roof using a thick cloth such as the ones that are used for making tents. Father, yes, Fritz. The huge trunk will protect the back of our tree house and the front will face the sea. Jack, and here are the hammocks. Ernest, and here are our blankets. They finish building their tree house by evening. They have a good stew, tie their dogs to the roots of the tree and start climbing up to their tree house. Father, Fritz, Jack and Ernest, will you be able to climb on your own? Fritz, Jack and Ernest. Yes, Father. They run up the ladder followed by their mother. Father, looking at Franz. Franz, since you are the youngest, I will carry you on my back. Franz, okay, Father. In scene 3, they started their work from the early morning and they completed their tree house and they built their tree house by evening. At night, they decided to take rest at the tree house. Next is page number 32. Turn the page. Franz climbs on his father's back. Once they reach their tree house, they pull up their ladder. They feel as safe as people living in ancient castles used to feature the drawbridges were raised. Franz was we already discussed that Franz was the youngest son of Mr. Robinson. So he climbs on the back of his father because he was the youngest of all. And when they reached their tree house, they felt like they are living in ancient castles. They feel as safe as the people living in ancient castle and also the drawbridges. So this is the play. I hope all of you understood today's class. So two new words are there. That is, first one, it is ancient. You all are familiar with this word, isn't it, children? Ancient spelling is A-N-C-I-E-N-T. Ancient means very old. Okay, very old is known as ancient. Then drawbridges. Have you heard about this word, children? You will see the picture and all. You are all are familiar with this drawbridges. Yes, we can pull up the bridge, and whenever doesn't want this bridge, we can lower this bridge also. So when they reached their tree house, they felt like safe as ancient castle, and also they the drawbridges. Play reflects the adventurous life of Mr. Robinson and his family. So although they had so many difficulties, they discover a new way of learning and adventurous life. So what you have to do is, you have to read the lesson 3 times and you have to get sign from your parents. The signs I will check during our online class. So that's all for today. Thank you, children.